Starting 11 for the visitors today. Kick off. Quickly released. A very timely interception. What a chance! Just the keeper to beat! What an amazing save! The keeper just saved the team! Away from immediate danger. Fails to keep the ball. Pushing it forward. Carrying the ball forward. Losing possession. Foul given. Opening phase of the game complete. Promising signs from both sides. Beautiful through ball. Good play, one-on-one. Square pass. That's a goal kick. Needs some improvement on shot accuracy. Restart from the goalkeeper. Nice long ball. Fails to keep the ball. Into open space. Clear sight of goal. What brilliant anticipation from the goalkeeper. Losing possession. Well-timed tackle. Reads the play beautifully. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Well-timed tackle. Steps up to steal the ball. Pushing it forward. Square pass. Losing possession. Fails to keep the ball. Nice block. Square pass. Square pass. Reads the play beautifully. Keeping possession nicely. Pushing it forward. Looking for options. Great power, but poor direction. From the back. An entertaining first half. Both teams were quite aggressive in the game. Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. Going for goal. That's goalkeeping masterclass. Firing from the corner. Losing possession. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Crossing in from the corner. Sensational stop from the keeper. Pushing it forward. Pushing it forward. They stole the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Well, that's how to dispossess the opponent. Fails to keep the ball. Danger, reverse it for now. Knocks it towards to the front. Clear pass. Heavy shot. Ball is behind the line for a goal kick. Trying to find the target man. Losing possession. A good piece of defending brings danger to an end. Good play, one-on-one. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Tried a through ball. Threaded through. A through ball attempt. Fails to keep the ball. Losing possession. It's in! Plenty of power on that! That's an obvious penalty! Nice one! Pretty comfortable piece of defending. Fails to keep the ball. Through ball. Get the ball out of the way. That was an amazing save. Pushing it forward. The referee says that is all for today. The referee blows the whistle. Nothing to divide them after 90 minutes.